You're shorting banks going into earnings season, but the S&P financial sector is up 17% since Trump has won the election and the Fed has already raised rates once. Why are you shorting banks?
Good morning, Pauline. It's great to be here. You know, I'll tell you why. Because they are up 17%. They're up on the facts that Trump is going to reduce regulations. Great. It's all great news. Higher rates are great news. Everything is great news, but they're up 17%, and we haven't done anything yet. We still have a lot of issues to deal with. Their balance sheets are still not great, and I would venture to say that their earnings are not going to meet the rally that they've already made. I think there's a much better chance to make money on the short side after we've had this dramatic rally. Now, I think longer term, they'll be fine. But as a trader, I'm looking for an opportunity. And I think this happens to be a very good opportunity here, because I don't think that this rally can last. I don't think that he's going to be able to get all of these regulations done quite so quickly. So before anything gets done, I think we're going to see a little bit of pressure come into these banks, and it gives me as a trader an opportunity, I think.
And Todd, you've been negative on the markets for as long as we've been talking together on the air. But now you've seen this huge rally since November. The Fed is saying, looks like not 2 hikes, but 3 hikes in 2017. So what are you exactly waiting for to be positive on the markets?
Well, what I'm really waiting for, Pauline, is that we need some selling. You can kind of feel right now that the markets are looking for a reason to sell off. And when you watch them operate, for example, if you look at Wednesday when Trump gave his press conference, they ran down as soon as he mentioned something about Big Pharma. Then on Thursday, the markets were lower. Now, they have rallied back, but the markets need a correction. Good markets need to clean out the weak stuff, and I think that's what we're looking for here.